Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of Tech Tip Tuesday, or T3 for short. You might be wondering why it's been 3 weeks since my last video. When I told you in the first one that I was planning on doing these weekly, I've decided that it's a little too much to try and do one every week for me and for you guys to try and find time to watch one every week. So I've changed them to be monthly. So the staff T3 episode will come out on the 4th Tuesday of every month. So being as today is the 4th Tuesday of September, it is time for episode 2. And today what I'm going to do is take you to a resource that we have through the library. Actually, there are some ebooks, and I've sent out a little bit of info about these, but I just wanted to kind of highlight them and show you how you can use these in your classroom, and also the potential for growth in this area, that if this is something that works well for you guys, it's something that I can add to this catalog and add some coverage in different subject areas. So you can let me know that by email if there's a subject you would like me to add. Okay, let's go ahead and show you guys how to access these ebooks. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to our website and then go to the library tab. And when you click on the library tab, you'll get some choices here. You're going to come down to ebooks and you click ebooks. And then you'll see there are two different options here. There are Destiny ebooks and Big Time Media. The Destiny ebooks are in our normal catalog, and those are primarily more fiction, more meant for reading for enjoyment. But these Big Time Media are primarily nonfiction, and these are the ones we're going to focus on today. So what you would do is go ahead and click this link for Big Time Media, and it does say here that Google sign-in is required, and the reason for that is this is going to open a document that has the username and password on it for you to be able to access these books. And so I'm not going to click on it on the video since I make this video public, but when you click on it, you will get to the page that gives you the link to go to, as well as the username and password for our school. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it will look like after you log in. This is the site, Big Time Media. And this is all of the coverage that we have right now. There are about 145 free ebooks, and these are all unlimited use. Which means you don't have to worry about a title being checked out by somebody else and not being available. It also means you can use them with your entire class, because all of these titles are unlimited use, so the whole class could have this same book open at the same time. I'm just going to click on one here to show you. So we're going to go to Science and Technology. And you'll see the different books there by title, and you can browse this way by subject, but you can also use the search bar at the top to search by topic. Right now with this many titles, it's not that big a deal just to browse for what you're looking for by those topic areas. So I'm going to scroll down here to the importance of plate tectonic theory. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that ebook. And you'll see it gives you a little bit of information about it, and then it has down here at the bottom open ebook. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and show you what the reader actually looks like. So it'll load the book in, and you can click on the bottom of the page to turn the page, or you can click the arrows to scroll through the book. I'm just going to scroll really quickly just to show you that you can look in there in the index and see what topics are covered. But there are a lot of great illustrations in here that I think will be really helpful for you in the classroom if this is a subject that you're covering in class, because you can use this in different ways. You can just log in and pull up the book just like I have here and display this on your smartboard and actually show the students this timeline or some other different images that are in the books. But you can also assign the link. Here you can take this link and assign it in your Google Classroom, and your students can then all be looking at this same image on their device, and then they can also download them in PDF version for those students that don't have internet access at home. These can be downloaded in PDF, and so they can access them offline as well. Okay, I hope that you'll find those titles useful. I tried to keep this brief, so if you have any questions, please come see me or shoot me an email. And then also, speaking of that, if there are any topics that you'd like me to cover in my T3 videos, I'd love to hear from you, because I'm doing this for you guys, obviously, so I want you to have some benefit out of it. So if there's something you'd like a little more info on, shoot me an email and let me know, and I'd be happy to cover that. Hope everyone has a great rest of their Tuesday, and I will see you next month.